So today, you'll learn how to change the video background on CapCut. So the first step is to add the background layer you want to use. So this is the layer that you're going to be using instead of the layer that you currently have on your video. And once you're fine with that layer and you are okay with how it looks like, how it plays, then it's time to add the additional layer. So this is now the layer that you're going to be changing the background for. So to do that, you want to select Overlay, tap on Add Overlay, and then you want to choose your video or your image depending on what you want to do, then select Add. Once it's been added, you then want to ensure that it actually matches with the timeline of the video so that there's no missing spaces. And once you've confirmed and you've done that exactly, you then want to increase the size of the image so that it covers the whole video, and it's also that it's centered. So it should look something like this with the blue lines matching up like that. Once you've done all of that, you now want to change the background. So again, select that that layer that you've just added, and you want to swipe through the different options until you find Remove Background. Tap on it, select Auto Removal, and you can see it's already removed the background from that previous image or video. So now you can see the image like that, and you can just move it around. Alternatively, you can always choose to use a customized cutout, and you can choose what exactly you want to remove. However, I think it's better to stick with Auto Remove as it does the best job on CapCut. So once you've done that, you want to tap on this check mark to save that. Now you can move your image around, and then now when you play it, you can see you successfully changed the background for that specific video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.